Go.
My friends and brothers and cousins. And, well, yeah. Right now I'm on a dirt bike. Yeah, this is my dirt bike. I'm like kind of a pro, like riding it. I'm gonna show you like some moves. I'm like I'm gonna show them a video. Like, what are you talking about? Stop pointing. That's not the whole video. Yeah, I'm gonna ride it. And here we go.
He'll be right back. In a few minutes, well, seconds, Miss AJ.
Hey, my name is AJ. I like YouTube. I'm gonna ride dirt bike. I'll be up.
No. That's empty. I'm gonna see this guy.
Video while I'm sitting on dirt bike.
Let's say this guy. Let's say this. You should hear him by now. He's coming up fast.
Oh, yes! He's right there! Woohoo! I still don't know how to do it.
Don't do another one. Some big trees, a tree, the same car we looked at moments ago. There should be somebody in the back. Oh, he should jump. Leaf, everything, yeah. Spinning up in the sky. Yeah, spinning up in the sky. Oh, he's coming. In 3, 2, 1, 0.